Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Gotha. Today I'm up here in Whitehall, West Virginia at DQ Grill and Chill, and I got their brand new Frosted Animsl Cookie Blizzard. Oh, that's what it looks like. I saw this on the internet the other day and I just had to have it. It's like, That hits just right after having Frank's Hideout pizza. You notice my makeup is a little bit smeared because it's burnt hot in this car. The cookies are nice and crunchy. They're not like soggy from the ice cream or anything. And you can taste the frosting from the cookies. This is really good. And the sign says if they don't serve it to you upside down, the next one's free. I was really hoping so bad that she wouldn't, turn it upside down. But then she turned it upside down. I was like, man. But yeah, this is really good. This is awesome. I would definitely get this again. I read online that they were serving it for summer, and I was like, man, I was really hoping to get this today. But I went through the drive-thru anyway, and I was going to ask if they had it, but I saw on the sign that they do. So, yes. This hits the spot after having some awesome pizza from Frank's Hideout. I also want to give a shout out to those fans that was just next to me in their car. Thank you for watching. You guys are awesome. Ooh, more shot of beautiful ice cream. Oh yes, eat it, eat it. No, it's mine. Yes, I would definitely get this again. I gotta go and get some cat food. I also want to give a shout out to all the essential workers out there that are giving us this awesome food during this horrible time. Thank you guys. You guys are deeply loved. You guys are amazing. That's all I got for everyone today. Have a great day, everyone.